All persons born or naturalized in the United States, and subject to the jurisdiction thereof, are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States. Nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property, without due process of law, nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws. The 14th Amendment, even 150 plus years after its ratification, still affects our society today. Ratified in 1868, the 14th Amendment notably regarded the citizenship of all African Americans due to the end of the Civil War. Nearly 100 years after its ratification, this amendment, along with the Equal Protection Clause, was fought over by American society. In the case of Brown v. Board of Education of 1954, Linda Brown fought the idea of segregation of all white schools and all black schools being legal, based upon separate but equal facilities. The U.S. Supreme Court agreed with the Brown family, saying the separate but equal rule violated the 14th Amendment. But how does this amendment affect us today? This amendment is meant to protect all people across America, but we are here to focus on the students of today. We as students are supposed to, under the law, be treated equally and to be equally protected. If we are supposed to be treated equally, does this mean we should all get the same level of education? Our government created public schools for children and teens to receive a base level of education for free. There are thousands of public schools all across the country, educating kids as the government sees fit. In 2011, a Connecticut mother named Tanya McDowell faced felony charges for lying on her son's school registration forms. She did this so that her 5-year-old son could attend a better school. Private schools cost several thousands of dollars to attend each year and are known for their excellent preparatory practices. McDowell wanted her son to have a better education so he would be more prepared for the future. Many people argue how a private school education should be free, saying that kids not getting the same level of education goes against the 14th Amendment. The Universal Declaration of Rights states that education is a right, not a privilege. Though it is not a fundamental right under the Constitution, the 14th Amendment states that no child shall be denied equal access to schooling in a state, as long as that state has established a public school system. This speaks of public schools, not private schools. In our opinion, children receiving different levels of education due to different kinds of schools does not go against the 14th Amendment.